In today's video, I am going to teach you how to become Squarespace Circle member. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Squarespace Circle partner page. This is the official page where Squarespace invites eligible users to join its Circle program. If you are new to Circle, this is where the sign-up process begins, and it is the best place to make sure you are joining through the correct official route. Once you are on the page, look for the button that says Join Circle today or Join for free. Either option will take you into the same enrollment flow. Click the button that appears on your screen to move forward. Squarespace may update the wording or layout from time to time, but the goal is simply to begin the Circle registration process from that page. Next, sign in with your existing Squarespace account. Use the account you already manage your Squarespace work with, since Circle membership is connected to your Squarespace profile. If you are already signed in, you may be taken directly to the next section automatically. If not, log in and continue once your account is verified. After that, you will be asked to complete a short profile. This part is usually brief and focuses on your business details and your design focus. Take a moment to answer these prompts carefully. This helps Squarespace understand the type of work you do and can also help shape the Circle experience tied to your account. Keep your responses accurate and professional so your profile reflects your work clearly. Once your profile is filled out, review the participation terms. Before joining, you will need to accept these terms to continue. It is always a good idea to read through them so you understand the expectations, benefits, and conditions of the program. When you are ready, accept the terms and proceed. After you complete that final confirmation, open your new Circle dashboard. This is where you can view your current points, check your tier status, and explore the member perks available to you. The dashboard gives you a quick overview of your standing in the program and helps you understand what benefits come with your membership. As a final tip, spend a few extra moments looking through the dashboard once you are inside. It is the easiest way to become familiar with the tools and rewards that come with Circle membership. That covers everything you need to know.